How to turn shapes into brushes in Photoshop, PC or Mac. Go to the Custom Shape tool in the Tools panel. Then go to the top left and select Path. That's the second item. Then go along and select a shape. Now I'm going to go with Objects and I'm going to go with a hand. So select that. Once you've done that, create the hand. It can be any size, so you can create it. It's a vector design. Go along here and you've got Selection. So click there, click OK, and then go to the Gradient tool. Now you can fill it with a solid colour, but I'm just going to fill it with a gradient. So Gradient tool, select a gradient, and apply. And you can apply it multiple times. So once you're happy with your design, what you can then do is you can go to Edit, and you go down to Define Brush Preset. Click that, and give it a name. I would suggest Hand Brush. Click OK. Now you can see the size, it's quite large because I've got the brush tool obviously selected now. Simply resize that, put it to about 170, 180, and then select and deselect. Now what you can do, go to the brushes panel, and you can go there, hand brush. You can also go to the brush settings. Now you can find all these in the window menu, so window and brush settings. And you just go down here and you can set the shape dynamics, so you can change the size jitter. You also go for scattering, make it scatter both axes. Also you can go down here and color dynamics and go for saturation, hue and jitter, and so on. You can also, if you wish, add some rotation just by going to shape dynamics and angle jitter so it rotates, and then simply apply your brush stroke, and there it is. You've got a lovely hand design or any shape very quickly via custom shapes and turning them into brushes. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.